here at the Snowmobile show. I'm back. Haven't been online in a while. So I'm here at the Great Lakes Trailers booth, selling or helping sell some trailers with my buddy John. So these are Discoveries. Come check us out here. But it's nice to see all the 2026 stock. It's good to see Arctic here. Yeah, so I'll be out this season.
It'd be like me or you at the equivalent of price in the car.
So this is the Skidoo booth here at the 2026, essentially 2025-2026 snow show in Michigan. So it's really good to see Arctic back here. We got Woody's here. We got Stud Boys here. CF Moto has a booth this year, but it's good to see the sport in full force. The show was packed. We got Polaris out here. Up North Sports for all your gear. Got a bunch of 509 stuff. So yeah, it was just really cool this year to see the sport's still in good health. This is the biggest snowmobile show in the country.